Good morning, students. Let's see the continuity of organic chemistry. So we discussed about alkanes and some important formulas. Okay. Now come to alkenes. Alkenes. General structure. Okay. Double bond. At least one double bond present in between two carbon atoms. Alkenes, also called as olefins. Olefins. These are unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Double bond consists one sigma bond and one pi bond. General formula of the compound is CnH2n. Okay, general formula of the compounds, alkenes, CnH2n, where n is equals to number of carbon atoms, okay. Now write examples. N starts from 2, 3. Okay, N value starts from 2. That means alkenes consist minimum 2 carbons. Remember this. Alkene consists minimum 2 carbons. Right. First one, ethene. Ene is there, am I right? And one more important point here. Alkenes names end with ene. So in this, it is double bonded carbon, hybridization is sp2. For this one is also hybridization sp2. Remember this. Okay. In that one is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Ethene, eth means how many carbons? 2 carbons. ene means double bond is there. So ethene means C2H4 is the formula. Okay, and structure is CH2 double bond CH2, or also we can write CH double bond CH bond H. Wherever the carbon is present in the hydrocarbons, alkenes, it processes tetravalency. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Carbon shows tetravalence, that means 4 bonds. Is it clear? So this is structure of, and formula, eth means how many carbons? Eth means N is equals to 2. Am I right? General formula CnH2n. Am I right? So keep this value here, C2H2 into 2. That is C2H4. Clear? C2H4. Ethene, this means C2H4. Unsaturated compounds. So next go for second one. Go for second one. Ethene or ethylene. Remember this. Next, propane. Propane. So what is the propane? So many carbons? 3 carbons. So N is equals to 3. Am I right? So then CnH2n. Am I right? That means C3H2 into 3. That means C3H6 is the propane formula. What is the formula? C3H6. 3 into 2. 2 into 2. Okay, is it clear? Now write this. So in propane, the double bond exists any 2 carbon. So now 1 CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. Double bond is there or not? Double bond. 3 plus 2 5 6 C6 3 carbon. Okay. Propene. So its structural representation is H. Am I right? 3 carbons. Bond C H double bond C H. Am I right? Okay. Is it clear, ma, all of you? Everyone? Okay. Butane. But means 4. That means C4 to N means 8. Am I right? N is equals to 4. Butane. CnH2n. C4 2 into 4. C4H8. Is it clear? C4H8. C4H8. So C4H8 is called butane. Now write CH3 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Okay? Clear? Double bond is there. So there are double bond not only in these 2 carbon, it can also exist here also. Let's see. CH3 bond CH double bond CH bond CH3. It is also alkene, the same formula. Okay, clear? So, but valency must be satisfied. Okay, let's see this one. C H. Is it okay? Next, C H bond CH double bond CH. Clear? So if you observe the valency of the carbon, it always 4 only. Okay, alkene double bond is there. So we can also write this one as same C H H, okay, and then C and one hydrogen is here, double bond CH, bond CH, H. So in alkene the double bond exists between any two carbon atoms, okay, is it clear? So both are correct. Next, the fourth one, pentene. Pentene, pent means N is equals to how much? 5. What is the formula? CnH2n. That means C5H10. C5H10. Clear? C5H10. Okay? C5H10. Pentene C5H10, okay? Pentene, what is the formula? C5H10. Write the structure. First write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Am I right? So your choice, keep the double bond at any position between any two carbons, here or here or here or here also. Okay? So suppose I would like to keep the double bond here. Now already it is with two bonds. So now it is CH2. 1, 2, 3 bonds. Now it is fourth one. 1, 2 bonds is already. So CH2. Okay? Is it clear? Now 1, 2. This is 2 bonds. 1 bond is already there. So 3 bonds. Is it clear? Or we can also represent like this. So now the double bond suppose keep here. So CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Double bond at this position now. Same molecular formula. Okay? Or CH3 bond CH double bond CH bond CH2 CH3. Okay? It is also correct one. Or CH3 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH bond CH3. Okay? This one is also correct. Okay? Is it clear, all of you? So wherever you should keep the double bond in between any two carbon atoms. Okay? Suppose one of the structural representation, see, it has two carbons, double bond is there, one hydrogen on this carbon, two hydrogen on this carbon, and again two hydrogens and three hydrogens on this carbon. Okay, clear? Also write this also same manner. Okay, is it clear? Pentene. Next go for hexene. 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 Okay. Hexene means N value how much? What is the value of N? 6. Now CnH2n. That means C6H12. Am I right? Hexene. So this is the formula. C6H12 is the formula. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Am I right? Keep the double bond. Suppose here CH2, it is already with 3 bonds, 1, 2 bonds, the remaining 2 are with hydrogen, 1, 2, and H2, 1, 2, H2, 1, it needs 3 bonds again. So, are you following or not? Valency of the carbon must be 4. After the double bond, we should need to satisfy the valency of all the carbons. Okay? So, the structural representation is CH double bond CH bond CH bond CH, bond CH, bond CH. Is it clear? That is the meaning. So now sigma bond, pi bond. These are all sigma bonds. Single bonds are all sigma bonds. Next, go for heptane. Heptane. Heptane means N value how much? 7. Cn H2n. Okay. So now C7 H2 into 7. C7 H14. Am I right? C7 H14. So C7 H14 is the heptane formula. Heptane, not heptane. 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 C7 H14. Clear? How many carbons are there? 7. So first write 7 carbons like this. Keep the double bond your choice, that is, suppose I would like to keep the double bond here. Now 1, it need 3 hydrogens for getting 4 valency. 1, 2, it need 2 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, so it's need only 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, it need only 1 hydrogen to get tetravalency. 1, 2, it need 2 hydrogens. 1, 2, it also need 2 hydrogens. 1, it need 3 hydrogens. Okay, clear? Sexual representation, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Clear? Next, carbon, it consists of 2 hydrogens here. Carbon, hydrogen. Double bond, C, H, C, H, H. Double bond, C, H and H. Double bond, C, H and H. Is it clear, ma, all of you? Everyone? That is the representation of this heptane. Then go for octene. 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 Oct means N is equals to 8. So Cn H2n. That means C8 H16. Am I right? So now formula C8 H16. Clear? Now write. So how many carbons? Is it clear, ma? We have 8 carbons here. Eight. So keep the double bond that your choice. Suppose here now one bond is there for getting tetravalency. We add 3 hydrogens here. Here 1 for getting tetravalency. 1 bond already. This carbon bonded with this carbon. This bond already bonded with this carbon. So it needs 2 hydrogens to get tetravalency. Am I right? 1, 2, 3 bonds are there. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3 bonds are. This one 1, 2, clear? This one is with 3, and its actual representation is, this is the carbon, hydrogen, this one is hydrogen, see this is hydrogen, and this one hydrogen, see this is hydrogen, and this one hydrogen and hydrogen, this one CH, double bond CH, here it is H2, am I right? CH, double bond C, H and CH3. Is it clear, all of you? CH3. Okay. Next, nonene. Next compound, nonene. Nonene, that means N value is 9. So Cn H2n, C9 H18. Clear? What is the formula? C9 H18. Clear? Now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 5 plus 4. So suppose you should keep the double bond here. Okay, now this is 3 and this is H, this is also H, this is CH2, CH2 and this one CH2, CH2, this is CH3. Its actual representation is CH, this is H, this one is H, CH double bond, CH bond, CH and H, bond CH and H, and this is also CH and H, CH and H, this is CH and H, bond CH and H. Okay, is it clear now all of you? Everyone? We can also write this one CH3 bond, CH double bond, CH bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means CH2 taken 5, bond CH3. This one is also correct, am I right? Why? Because CH2 terms are repeated 5 times. Okay? Clear? Then go for decene. Dec means 10. N is equals 10. Cn H2n. C10 H20. So right. That means we have 10 carbons. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clear. So keep the double bond here. That's your choice, either here, 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 whatever it in between any two carbons, you keep the double bond. Okay, then satisfy the remaining valency of the carbon. Okay, now this is CH2, CH2, CH, this is CH, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, its actual representation is C, H, H, H. C hydrogen and here hydrogen, hydrogen. Here CH double bond, CH bond CH and H bond CH and H bond CH and H bonds H and H bond H, H and H. Okay, is it clear all of you? Everyone? So we can also write this one CH3, CH2 taken twice, CH double bond, CH bond 1, 2, 3, 4. That is CH2 taken 4, CH3 also. This one is also correct one. Okay, clear? CH2 taken twice means it repeated 2 times, right? Continuously. Okay, is it clear? This is a decane. This is about alkenes. Okay. So what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2. What is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2. For this one sp3. All are single bonds. This one sp3. This one sp3. This one sp3. sp3. So all are single bonds around the carbon. It is sp3. If it is bonded with a double bond, that is sp2. sp2. Okay. Okay, students, next go for third hydrocarbon, that is alkynes. Alkynes. General structure. General structure is at least one triple bond. Okay, at least one triple bond between two carbon atoms, these are highly unsaturated, okay, highly unsaturated reactivity is directly proportional to number of pi bonds. So in alkynes pi bonds are more, so alkynes are more reactive and less stable. Am I right? Okay. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2, where n is equals to number of carbon atoms. Okay, n value starts from 2, 3 and so on, not 1. Only for alkane only it is 1. Okay, remember this. Now then go for in that first one, alkynes names ends with alkyne names ends with ine. Okay, so let's take the first one, ethine. Its common name is acetylene. It is IUPAC name, later we will discuss. It is systematic name according to rules. It is the sweet name, okay, like acetylene, ethine. Eth means how many carbons? 2 carbons. It means 2. So now CnH2n minus 2, C2H4 minus 2, C2H2. This is the formula for ethine. So what is the formula for ethine? C2H2. Now write its form structure. We have 2 carbons in this one. At least one triple bond between 2 carbons. Am I right? Now carbon bonded with these 3 bonds with this carbon. So it need one more bond. So keep hydrogen here. Now it is already bonded with this carbon, 3 bonds. So it need one more bond to getting tetravalency. Okay? Is it clear? This is the. So simply we can write its structure. So now it is triple bond. Carbon bonded with the triple bond. What is the hybridization? sp3. And here what is the hybridization? sp3. Okay? Clear? All of you? Next go for second one. Propyne. Propyne means n is equals to 3. Am I right? Prop means n is equals to 3. Ine means alkynes. Okay? CnH2n minus 2. C3 2 3 are 6 minus 2. C3H4. Am I right? How many carbons here we have? 3 carbons, right? What is the formula? C3H4. How many carbons we have? 1, 2, 3. Keep the triple bond in between any 2 carbon atom. It is with 3 bonds, so it need one more hydrogen. 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. It is this carbon already bonded with this carbon. So totally 4 bonds are enough. No hydrogen need here. 1. It need 3 hydrogens. So its structure is C H triple bond C H and H. Okay. What is the hybridization of this carbon? Sp. Okay, clear? Sorry, this is Sp. Sp triple bond. So for this one also Sp. Am I right? For this carbon all are single bond. So it is Sp3. Clear? All of you? Everyone? And third one, butane N means 4, butane means what is the root word? But. Okay, clear? Now, what is the formula? CnH2n minus 2. Clear? All of you? Then keep that value C4, 2 4 ja 8 minus 2 C4H6. Am I right? C4H6. Now the formula of butane is C4H6. Am I right? Now how many carbons here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I right? Keep the triple bond between any two carbon atoms. Suppose keep here. Okay. Now this carbon bonded with this carbon with a single bond. So it need 3 for getting tetravalency. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. Here it need 3. Am I right? Its structural representation is it has 3 hydrogens in the first carbon and this one no hydrogens. Here again with 3 hydrogens. Am I right? Clear? What is the hybridization of this carbon? Clearly sp. For this one sp. What about this one? sp3. Why? Because all are with single bonds. And for this one is also sp3 hybridization. Is it clear? Number of pi bonds 1 2 1 2. Number of sigma bonds 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 sigma bonds. Okay, clear? Next, pentane. Pentane means N value how much? 5. Clear? So now what is the general formula? Cn H2n minus 2 C5 H10 minus 2 C5 H8. What is the formula? C5 H8. How many carbons here we have? 1 2 3 4 5. Keep the triple bond in between any two carbons. Okay, now this is CH3 CH2, this is CH3. 1 2 3 enough. 1 2 3 4 enough, sir. Okay, is it clear? So now its structure is C hydrogen and hydrogen. It consists of 2 hydrogen. Am I right? Clear? Now this is triple bond C H H. Okay, what is the hybridization of this one? Triple bonded carbon sp. For this one sp. For this one sp3. For this one sp3. For this one also sp3 hybridization. Clear? Everyone? Then go for hexane. Hexane, what is the value of N? 6. Cn H2n minus 2 C6 12 minus 2 C6 H10. C6 H10. What is the formula? C6 H10. Clear? So write how many carbons here we have? 6 carbons. Okay, 3 plus 3. Okay, clear? So keep the triple bond in between any two. So now this need 1 1 2 3 4 enough. 1 2 1 2 it need 2 1 2 it need 2 and this is CH3. Clear, all of you? And the structural representation CH triple bond C hydrogen and hydrogen CH H C hydrogen and hydrogen CH. Am I right? Clear? Now what is the hybridization here? sp. What is the hybridization here? sp. For this one sp3. For this one sp3. For this one sp3. For this one is also sp3 hybridization. Okay, all are single bonds, that is sp3. If is there any triple bond, sp. If is there any double bond, sp2. Okay, is it clear, ma? All of you, up to everyone? Write this hexane. Next, go for heptane. At least you have to identify the given organic compound is alkane or alkane through this formula. Very easy. Okay, then only you can easy to learn organic chemistry, otherwise it is very difficult. Okay, remember that. And heptane That means CnH2n minus 2. Heptane means N is equals to 7. C7 14 minus 2. C7H12. Is it clear? How many carbons are here? We have 7 carbons. What is the formula? C7H12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep the triple bond between any two carbon atoms. Now this is 3. For this one 4. For this one 4. Now for this one 2. For this one 2. This is 3. Okay. Now its structure is H. Am I right? C triple bond C H and H bond CH bond H and CH bond H C bond H bond H. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Next, go for octane. Octane means what is the value of N? 8. Oct means, so CnH2n minus 2. C8 16 minus 2. Okay. C8 14. Am I right? What is the formula? Octane C8H14. How many carbons here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So keep the triple bond between any two carbon atoms. Now this is CH3 and H2. H2 enough, and this one. Is it clear, students? Now write its structural representation. H and H bond CH bond CH bond CH bond CH bond C triple bond CH2 CH2. What is the hybridization of this one? Sp. For this one Sp. Remaining all are Sp3. Okay, is it clear? Tetravalents are not here. This one 3 bonds and this one 4th one. Enough. 3 plus 1 4th one. But here 1 1. So we should add 2 hydrogens. 1 2. Totally 4. Okay. Octane. Next, go for nonine. Nonine means N equals to how much? 9. What is the general formula? CnH2n minus 2. That's C9H2 into 9 minus 2. C9H18 minus 2. C9H16. Am I right? How many carbons? What is the formula? C9H16. Clear, all of you? So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep the triple bond. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. CH2, 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 CH3. This can also write as CH3 bond C triple bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means CH2 taken, 5 bonds CH3. Am I right? Its structural representation is, so the first carbon consists 3 hydrogens and C triple bond C and H and H. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, clear, ma? Then last one, go for decyne. Decyne N value how much? 10 Cn H2n minus 2. Clear, all of you? So C10 H20 minus 2. C10 H18. Clear? C10 H18. So C10 H18 is the formula. We have 10 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So keep the triple bond between any two carbon atoms. CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is CH2. This is CH2, 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 CH3. Simply CH3, CH2, C triple bond C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So CH2 taken 5 bond CH3. Okay. Its actual representation is C bond H and H clear. Here it is CH and H. C triple bond C. Here it is H and H. Am I right? Clear? All of you? CH H. CH H, CH H, CH and H, bond 3 hydrogens. Okay, clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, clear ma? What is the hybridization of these carbons? Here it is sp. For this one it is also sp. Why? Because it is bonded with the triple bond. Okay, remaining all are sp3. Okay, these are the 3 types of hydrocarbons. Very, very important. So formulas are very important here. Okay, students. Again, we will meet in the next class.